Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today we are at Bona Bona Game Lodge for an exciting day full of activities. So the plan is in a couple of minutes we're going to go on a picnic, one of the bush picnics. So we're going to get on one of the game viewing vehicles, drive all the way to wherever the bird hide is. We're going to spend about an hour and a half there, have a good picnic, eat some stuff because I'm hungry. And then after that, we're going to come back. We're going to visit the Jakkals Restaurant and see how that is. Hopefully catch some good wildlife there because I've been here once before and there's a rhino that normally comes to the watering hole close to where the restaurant is. So hopefully we can get some pictures of that. And then after that, we're going to check in because we are actually staying here tonight. And then after that, we've got a 3-hour game drive and then a dinner at the Jakkals Restaurant again, and then tomorrow morning a breakfast. So quite busy, a lot of eating, so you'll see a lot of food. Okay, so we made it to the bird hide. It's actually built inside one of the dam walls. So we have like a, call it an eye level of the hippos and stuff that's here in front. And we have our own picnic basket.
So yeah, there's a sandwich and then we have pudding, chocolate pudding, and then cookies and cows.
A mini croissant inside, some fruits, and
biltong
and biltong. And then champagne and I assume water.
Yeah.
She said yes. Okay, so now we're going to enjoy a moment and then take in the view. So I'll see you guys later.
Die koken drinken.
En te edible.
Ja.
It's like
After an amazing lunch with the family, we headed to our rooms where we stayed in one of the double rooms on the main camp with one of the amazing unfenced views, which consist of a double bed. You get a small little kitchen, a very nice bathroom. Apologies for the flickering. The camera was very sensitive to light today. You get your own ensuite bathroom, and then when you go out to the deck, you have an unfenced view. Please do not continue past this point. They will have signs up as well to warn you, as the hippos and the rhinos will wander around in front of you. Unfortunately, we had some really bad weather, which meant our game drive got postponed to the following morning, which is actually a blessing in disguise because we had an amazing game drive the next day. So for the rest of the day, we headed back to the Jakkals Restaurant and we enjoyed some views, some drinks, and we just had some fun with the family until the sun went down. And we managed to spot some wildlife all the way from the deck of the Jakkals Restaurant. It's an amazing place. The next morning we woke up early so that we can watch the sunrise together, and we had a really early breakfast because we had to go for our game drive, which we were super excited about and well worth the wait. And so, one of the best game drives we've ever had comes to an end. We had some amazing encounters, even with some rhinos, but due to recent poaching, we decided not to show any of the rhinos at the moment. And we ended our game drive by going to meet Susie. Her mother was killed when she was just 1 week old, and Bona Bona bought her and now raising her. She's now 7 months old, and soon she will be old enough to be released and join the rest of the herd. I really hope you enjoyed this extremely special episode. Please remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned because we are heading to the Kruger National Park in the end of June. We'll see you then.